嗨，我们今天要去做一个企划。我跟我的朋友超市搭讪陌生人，然后去他们家煮饭。That is my friend Lud. Hi. She is from French. 你好，你好。So we are gonna make a dinner to the French people or we'll like try. European people. Make some Taiwan dish for lunch, and then we'll see what we're gonna make today. She will be a superstar. Yeah. So we'll see. 欢迎光临你，对呀对呀对呀对呀对呀对呀对呀对呀。What does that mean? It's like yes yes, but it's in a cute way, like yes yes. God, that's a lot of people. Oh my God, it's so scary. We are already in the supermarket. We are gonna to find the strangers later. Fingers crossed. Oh my God, what does that mean?
It's for luck.
For luck. Oh, for luck. Bring us luck. We will find the right person.
Say hi. Excuse me. I'm from France. We're doing that amazing project, like a cultural exchange. Can we go to your house?
Can I talk to you right now? We have a project. We're gonna find a person to go to their house to cook the dinner for them and share with you.
And you're the lucky person today.
Yeah, so do you want to join our project? Yes or no?
I mean, if you put that smile and
Lulu, we will be fine. Okay, go for it.
And I'm No. So do you want French people or?
I think French okay, but maybe if you try to fill in, can speak English.
Well, how can I see they speak English and French? Excuse me? Do you speak English? Oh, okay, never mind.
Thank you. At least we start.
That's the first step.
Yeah, first step. We already started.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Do you speak English?
A bit.
Cool.
So we wanted to ask you, we're doing this project, so I'm from France and they're from Taiwan.
Yeah.
Oh, you speak French?
I do.
Mais en fait, on parle vraiment français.
Yeah, but I want them to.
We want to understand.
So she's doing that amazing project. It's like for cultural exchange,
Yeah.
where we actually buy food and we go to people's places and we cook for them
For free.
It's like a Taiwan dish.
And
Yeah.
we're sharing some conversation or some food.
Yeah,
Like,
we'll be interested. But you know, we are in holiday here. We are leaving tomorrow morning, and we are dining at the restaurant tonight. So
at least
yeah.
you are very friendly
Yes.
and really
no problem.
nice. Yes.
That's been very interesting, but
Yes.
it's not possible this
I know. I'm so happy to meet you guys.
time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. That was actually cool because they were French, but they spoke English very well.
Yeah. Okay. Very good stuff. Okay, we keep going.
Hi. Do you speak English?
A little.
Yeah.
En fait, je suis française, mais elles sont de Taïwan. Do you want me to do it in French? Okay.
J'étais pas seul, on a pris la voiture. Sorry,
Yes.
we come back to go.
Yeah, they're
Let's say, yeah.
You're really nice and kind. Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to us. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
They were just like stopping by to go somewhere else.
I'm so excited. Yeah.
It's kind of cute.
Really? Okay. She said that dad is cute. We go to find it.
Which one? English with the hat.
Oh. Wow.
Do you speak English?
Yeah, for English.
We're doing that amazing project where it's like a cultural exchange thing, and we go to people's places and we cook for them.
Okay.
And she will cook
The Taiwan dish.
So we were wondering if you guys were interested or.
We're in a caravan. Yeah.
Just near here.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
What?
Yeah, that's the one.
Tonight.
Yeah. I bet for my wife, but yeah, I don't do that.
Do you have a?
What's your name?
Tom.
Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom.
Alright.
This is Martha.
Martha.
Martha, yeah.
Martha. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
My name's Irvine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Zoe. Meeting.
Nice to meet you. We're gonna do something a bit different tonight.
Yes.
All good.
See you later then.
See you in a bit.
Oh my God.
Alright, perfect.
I'm so happy.
Oh, we're gonna go to the gym.
Hi again. It's so unreal.
I know.
You know, I just feel like I'm in a drama or something in that moment.
And when he said yes, you were like, what, really?
Yeah, that's so, oh my God. Are you sure? We already made it or not? We already made it. Wow. 好，因为刚刚收到那个我们今天问的陌生人的讯息，他说他们的瓦斯好像坏掉了，没有办法煮饭，所以我们现在在思考要怎么做会比较好。
All right, we're here. Here. Shopping time.
Go go. That's so cute.
We are doing food shopping for tonight.
Yes.
Because plans has changed too, and we're actually cooking at my place.
Yes. We're gonna buy some ingredients for that. So here we go.
秀珍菇哎。
因为我没有看到葱，所以我把它换成四季豆。
So exciting!
I know.
Let's see. Ginger. We got everything, right?
Oh, meat.
Oh, meat. Yes, we can. Chicken. It looks like the thing we're gonna make today.
It's like we are.
Okay, pay for it. Dong 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 dong. Finish shopping. We're gonna go back. Run, run, run. Okay. So we're gonna change the place to our place because the stove didn't work. Like the gas have something problems in their caravan. Yes, so we're gonna change the place to our place. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, we will be fine. Oh, yeah, today's only 2 people to come. Only the fathers, Tom and Martha. The son, kind of scary about us. I don't know, maybe they are more... Yeah, so today's only father and Martha will come, and mom and son will stay in the caravan waiting for them. So today's only 2 people, but it's still okay. We will still have fun. Yeah. Keep going. Okay, we come back home. So right now, we're gonna prepare some appetizers. It's from only French have this. From here, the French style.
Yeah, dry sausage. We usually take out the skin before you eat it because you know everyone touches it.
I can talk to you serious. Okay.
So yeah, I was saying that we usually take up the skin when we can because
what kind of skin?
you know how like the thing because you know how like everyone touches it. It's kind of gross.
Yeah. Can I try it? Can I try
I
it?
just brushed my teeth so it tastes weird with them.
It's so cool.
Hey!
Hi, Mother and Tom. And 2 cats. Oh my god, that's so cute. They come here. 9, 9, 9, here. Hi, Tom. Hi.
Hey! So we're actually in the kitchen trying to prepare everything.
Yes, we're gonna prepare some appetizer.
Have you ever tried the dry sausages from France?
No.
Oh, so it's also first time?
Yeah, everything. We're not very adventurous. So this is complete,
Wow.
This is very new for us.
Okay.
So it's also your first time to come to France?
No, so I used to come every year as a child. It's
Yes.
the first time bringing my children there.
Ah.
These are also like from here.
You
It's made
want
with
it.
like a special type of flour. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks. How long are you here for? Are you staying here for?
Oh, I only stayed here for a few days.
Okay.
We visit her. She's from here.
Yeah, but we actually met in Ireland.
Oh, so that's where I'm from.
Oh, did you hear that,
Hang on,
Zoe?
I'll find out the map. Hang on.
He's actually, he lives like not far
So my
from
family are all
Westport.
from.
Really?
My family are all from yeah.
He's
Where are you
it's
from?
County
Place called
Mayo.
Belmullet in County
What?
Mayo. Yeah.
Wow, the
I'll
world
show
is
you
so
that.
small.
I'll
I
show you
know, it's
that.
so funny.
I'm gonna cook some Taiwan dish, so I'm gonna go to prepare some
Okay.
ingredients. 那我今天要准备的是台式炒面。那我刚刚就让他们在外面聊天，我现在就开始准备一些东西。OK， 那我们现在就开始准备喽。煮点热水，因为我等一下会有一个汤的料理，所以我打算先煮点热水。汤的话，其实我就是准备很简单的那个台式蛋花汤的概念。
What were you doing in Ireland? Were you just travelling?
I was traveling for 2 months in Ireland and Scotland, and Zoe was there too, and she was traveling as well. And then we ended up like living together in the same house. So we were doing couch surfing at the same person's place. And then the guy, the couch surfer, had like a wine bar.
Yeah.
In Westport, and I ended up working there.
Okay. And how did you find it in Ireland? Did you like it?
Yeah, I loved it. I was just telling Zoe earlier that I was actually thinking of going back there. It's beautiful, right?
You smile. That's it. Cheese.
Oh, you want to go see Zoe?
Ooh, you watching?
Hi. Yummy. So it's a noodle, egg noodles, and then with some onion and peppers and yeah, and chicken and green bean. So I'm gonna cook a soup, like very simple Taiwan dish. Oh, you know that? See you soon. 真的是不太会做菜，我不是那种专业，所以大家不要用专业的眼神去看我好吗？只是 share some culture, share some Taiwanese things. 看哦，要死我被炒。然后呢，这锅子真的太小了啦，这也太难使了吧？酱油好好吃哦，我觉得有点像那个。
这个大概要剪掉5秒，照烧吗？
这个照烧酱的感觉，怎么都懂我啊？就这样子。好 ，OK， 我现在是加酱油，甜酱油。这样的话，等下就不用加糖了，因为它其实有点微甜的感觉。哎，这样会不会太过台式？都是很像那个阿姨菜市场卖面的那几把块，真的修贵，还要修这来乱的，这怎么炒啦？
再拿回去。啊，怎么办？
现在来啦，加点胡椒粉，安尼可水啦哦。
Thank you. Good girl.
Dinner's ready. Yeah, you can sit here.
Everyone say cheese.
So how would you call that dish?
Oh, this one is stir fry noodles.
Yeah, but how would you call it with your language?
炒面，台式炒面。
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Thank you, Zoe.
Yeah, so thank you very
Thank
much.
you, everyone, be here.
Yeah.
Thank you, Martha.
So why did you say yes in the first place? I'm so curious. Did you
Because-
explain
Yeah.
already? Yeah.
Because I don't try things very often, new things. And somebody said to me a few weeks ago, I want to try more things.
Oh.
And just say yes.
Yeah,
to
like
things.
step
Oh my
out of his
God.
comfort zone.
So I thought I'm going to
So
have to do it.
before you are now this kind of person will say yes.
I would never have said yes. Ever, ever, ever. I would have just smiled and walked away, I think.
Oh my God. So it's
So
just.
the first time you say yes.
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh my God.
Something so different, like it wasn't something I would ever have done, ever.
Oh my God.
I rang my mum actually on the way to tell her, and she was like, "That's not you at all. Like that's not the kind of thing you do."
Oh my God.
Like
It's
usually
so
I've got
cool.
everything planned. Right? It was a priest in London. And
Yes.
he came over and he just said, "I don't know why I've got to tell you this."
What?
Oh
Just so
wow.
I
Maybe
could,
it's
try
destiny,
it.
you
Maybe.
know?
Yeah,
Like
Maybe.
everything happens for a reason. So
Yes.
it's all connected.
Yeah.
But it takes a lot of it's brave to actually step
Oh, that's
out of
it,
your
and-
comfort zone and.
But I always tell the children to
Yes.
try things and,
Yeah.
Yes.
and try new things and
Yes.
take risks.
Oh.
You take it.
And your brother and your mummy and your dad too.
Let's go find your bag.
You want it? Thank you. Bye, mother. Hi, mother. Bye bye.
Thank you for saying yes.
Thank you for having
Thank
us.
you for everything.
Thank you very much. See you
Bye
later.
bye. Bye bye. 结束了，我觉得今天的一切都有一点不真实，但是还蛮顺利的。今天的 project 算是还蛮成功的，就在法国的去陌生人家煮饭的系列。希望之后还可以去其他国家，对，再做一样的系列这样。Lud 回来，Lud。
Yeah,
we are
thank you.
finally we made it.
No, we had such a great time.
Yeah.
And it was a great experience to meet new people, and that's so crazy that he's actually from Westport.
Destiny.
Maybe you'll be the lucky next person.
See you
Bye.
next project. See ya. 我大概亮亮。
看了。